Peatlands, if they're in their intact state, accumulate carbon. So on a site like here, on a blanket bog in Scotland, we would have sometimes several metres of peat below our feet, an enormous carbon store. For the UK alone, for example, despite only occupying 10% of the land area, they store 3.2 billion tonnes of carbon. Unfortunately, across Europe and Southeast Asia, peatlands have been so disturbed by drainage, afforestation and other types of agriculture that instead of being a net sink for carbon dioxide, they actually lose carbon. So at its most extreme, this is the sort of landscape you can end up with when drainage ditches end up being erosion gullies. So on this site alone, what we're measuring here with our equipment is that 4 tonnes of carbon dioxide per year are being lost from the surface of this peat. So when peat is restored, such as on this peat dam for example, where the gully has been reprofiled and dams have been put into place, the water levels come up to near enough the surface, and that stops the peat from being oxidised. And the re-establishment of vegetation, such as you can see here as well, starts the peatland being a net sink again.